Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup video. I haven't done a makeup video in a hot minute, so I'm excited to do this. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I have no idea what makeup look I'm doing. So yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it for this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really didn't know what I was doing, but I think it turned out pretty nice. I'm not a fan of these lashes. They just look really like unreal and a little bit scary in my opinion. So yeah, and I didn't do anything to my lips. As you guys can see, I just added chapstick because I didn't really think this look needed too much of a lip. But also I don't usually wear anything on my lips but lip gloss, so, and I don't know where it is. So yeah, but anyway, this is the look up close. I haven't worn makeup like this in so long, so I actually really am liking this. But yeah, what do you guys think of this makeup look? My hair is a mess. I really tried to make it look less messy, but yeah, I probably failed. So, but yeah, this is it. I actually kind of like it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment down below. If you want to follow me on my social medias to see what I'm doing behind the scenes, they'll be listed below as well as the products that I used if you did want to purchase them for yourself. But yeah, that's it for this video. See y'all in my next one by God's grace.